year I will be the Papa of the country of India. And then there will be, of course, countries outside Appa, like Israel, Turkey, Lebanon, Canada, and USA. I just told you the names of the countries, not to waste your job, but only to inform you that how fortunate I am. Otherwise, I would have been installed only in front of all Indian nations. But then I can interact with these people also. Actually, I am honored and delighted to have been chosen as the president of IIT for this 2016. And it is my firm intention to fully honor the faith that they have reposed in me. IIT, though it stands for Indian Academy of Pediatrics, it really means members who are innovative, active, and progressive. That is the real full form of IIT. Every member sitting in this auditorium is a devoted member and a positive member. And my chief goals as the president of this association will be to act for IIT. As you know, my speech will be full of mnemonics. So I will just give you the full form of the word ACT. That would stand for academics, community work, and transparent practices. Now, as regards academics, all of the members are going to become e-smart during 2016. How are they going to become e-smart? We have a growth chart app which has been done. You just enter the height and the weight of the child, height of the father, height of the mother, and after plotting, you get a graph generated automatically which will tell you whether this child is underweight, malnourished, overweight, or obese. Many times we know that a pediatrician, every pediatrician is a big pediatrician. The word big means he has to have a knowledge of breastfeeding, immunization, and growth development. Out of which breastfeeding and immunization everybody knows. But when it comes to plotting of the weight and the height, most of us act lazy. Now this app will make you active, and it will be a very, very unique app which will quickly give you the status of the child's growth. I call it as a 3G app. That is because it will make you feel great. Also, it will help you grow in practice because your neighbors may not be doing that. And it will be a great service to the community because we will be detecting malnutrition early. There is another app which is associated with a program called as SOS Hope. SOS Hope stands for Survival of the Sickest through Handling Office Pediatric Emergencies. Okay, this is the app for the Survival of the Sickest Hope program. You know that a sick child in the periphery directly doesn't go to the PICU. He goes to the pediatrician first. And that is why the pediatrician at periphery has to have the knowledge of stabilizing the child and then referring him at appropriate time. And I am sure this particular app will help him along with the program called Survival of the Sickest. I am glad to know that behavioral changes have already started taking place through this program, which was also running last year under the name of Hope, because many of our members have started using oxygen for nebulization. Many of them have started giving antibiotics in the first hour of shock, and many of them have started shifting the child in 108 ambulance and not in their own vehicle. So these are behavioral changes, and I am sure the progress will continue even during this year. All these programs, along with some additional apps on common disorders, also will be developed, and this entire program will be called as Pediatrics at Fingertips. So just carry your smartphone in the clinic and relax. You need not carry all the 3 volumes of Nelson into your clinic. I always say that the knowledge and the potency of the knowledge, just as the vaccine potency is maintained by the cold chain, the word cold means in the form of knowledge, it is the continuous observation, learning and dissemination. So learn more so that you disseminate the knowledge further. There is one more interesting program which you are going to witness, and that is Cradle to Crayons. Cradle, that means a small child. So monitor the child's development, screen the child for problems like autism, learning disabilities, ADHD and others, hearing assessment, visual assessment, and continue till the child grows. We are also going to have the release of guidelines for ADHD, LD and autism. The principle to be followed here, just as when we cross the road, we always read the sign, start early, drive slowly and reach safely. In the field of development also, one should remember that you start early. If you detect early, then the brain is, quite pliable till the age of 5 years, and you can help the child to a great extent. There will be another programs, and one of the programs is Ideal Start to Human Life. As you know, every pediatrician is afraid of two things. At the time of birth, he is afraid of meconium and he is afraid of the obstetrician. So he has to go in time for attending the delivery call. So for the delivery room, we have some delivery room sutras which will be distributed to all the pediatricians. You can give it to the obstetric colleagues also. We are also going to have IAP Women's Wing this year. There are so many active pediatricians who are women, and it was a demand from our colleagues, women colleagues, to have a wing like this. And I am also told that I am one of the advisors of this particular group. So I am happily accepting that particular offer.